In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password on Slack. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app so you're looking at your workspace. From here, we'll go straight to the place where password changes live. Look toward the left sidebar and select the admin area. If you don't immediately see it, it may be nested under your workspace name or a menu icon. Once you're in admin, choose Workspace Settings. This takes you out of your chat view and into the settings section that controls your account and a handful of workspace preferences. Don't worry, everything we're touching today affects only your own sign-in, not anyone else's. Inside Workspace Settings, find the Account area. Go ahead and open Account, then select Account Settings. This is where Slack keeps personal details like your email address and sign-in options. On this page, look for the Password section. It might be collapsed at first to keep the page tidy, so click to expand it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see fields for your current password and a new password. If you remember your current password, you can change it right here. Click into the current password field and type your existing password carefully. Next, move to the new password field and enter the password you want to use going forward. Aim for something strong, a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like dictionary words, names, or keyboard patterns. Using a password manager can help you generate and safely store a complex password you won't have to memorize. Before you save, double-check for typos, especially if your new password is long. Many people like to paste from a password manager, but make sure there isn't a trailing space. If Slack shows any requirements below the field, make sure your new password meets them. When everything looks good, click Save Password. Slack will confirm the change, and on some devices, you might be asked to sign in again with the new password. That's normal and helps ensure your account is secure across sessions. If you can't remember your current password, there's a built-in recovery option right here. Look for the link that says "Can't remember your current password" and click it. Then choose Reset your password by email. Slack will send a reset message to the email address associated with your account. This could be a personal email service like Gmail or a work email managed by your organization. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it within a minute or two. Open the email from Slack and click the reset link inside. The link will take you to a secure page where you can set a fresh password without needing the old one. As before, create a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. If your browser or password manager offers to save it, that's a good idea to prevent lockouts later. After you submit the new password, return to Slack and sign in using your updated credentials. If you had Slack open on multiple devices, some sessions may refresh or prompt you to log back in. That's expected. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If your workspace uses single sign-on through your organization, some password options might look a little different, and you may be redirected to your company's sign-in page. Also, once your password is updated, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings for an extra layer of security. And if you're resetting because you suspect someone else has your password, sign out of other sessions from your account settings after the change. That's it. Whether you remember your current password or need an email reset, you now know exactly where to go and what to click to get back into Slack securely.